Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we pit two tech titans against each other so you can make the smartest purchase. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On the left, we have the RADCLO mini drone, and on the right, the ATTOP drone W10. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a high-flying showdown. First up, let's talk about the cameras. The RADCLO mini drone comes with a 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a tiny Spielberg in your pocket. Reviewers appreciate its decent camera quality for capturing memories, but some noted it's better suited for indoor use due to wind issues. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone W10 boasts a 1080p camera with a 120 degrees wide view. This wider perspective is perfect for capturing expansive shots. Reviewers highlight its high-quality camera, making it a favorite for both recreational and professional use. Now, let's talk user-friendliness. The RADCLO mini drone is incredibly easy to use, featuring one-key takeoff/landing and stable altitude hold. Reviewers mention that even kids and beginners can quickly get the hang of it, although it does require patience. The ATTOP drone W10 supports toss to launch, which adds an element of fun and showmanship. It's praised for being beginner-friendly, especially for kids, but some reviewers mentioned issues with drifting and control. When it comes to flight functions, both drones come loaded. The RADCLO mini drone offers high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3D flips, and even gesture control. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, and reviewers love its versatility. Not to be outdone, the ATTOP drone W10 has headless mode, 360 degrees flips, and trajectory fly. Reviewers appreciate its advanced features, but note that it sometimes has issues with stability and control. Safety first, kids! The RADCLO mini drone comes with propeller guards and spare fan blades. It's like having training wheels for your drone. Plus, it has a handy low battery warning. Reviewers appreciate its durability, especially after multiple crashes. The ATTOP drone W10 also has propeller guards and makes a noise when it's low on power. It's durable and has been praised for surviving multiple drops, but some reviewers experienced issues with the return function. Finally, let's talk about the moolah. The RADCLO mini drone is priced at $62, while the ATTOP drone W10 is a bit pricier at $69. For that extra $7, you get a wider camera view and the ability to throw your drone like a frisbee. Reviewers find both drones to be good value for the price, although some have noted minor issues with battery life and controls. Overall, the RADCLO mini drone is praised for its ease of use, durability, and affordability, making it a great option for beginners and families. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone W10 is highlighted for its advanced features and high-quality camera, though some users experienced issues with control and stability. So there you have it, folks. The RADCLO mini drone versus the ATTOP drone W10. Both are fantastic in their own right, but which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high. And remember, always buy smart. Product links are in the description.